So the question some people will ask when it comes to social media marketing is, where do I get ideas from? And usually behind that is, so I have to post every day, or do I have to post every day on social media? And the thought that will follow that is, I don't have that many ideas. But you'd be surprised how easy it is to get ideas from to create content for your social media marketing posts. One of the main things we want to focus on is solving people's problems. Because essentially, when someone purchases from you, typically they're solving a problem. Now, it might be they want to buy a kettle on a budget. It might be that they want the latest status kettle to impress their friends. It might be that they're really concerned about the environmental impact and want an environmentally friendly kettle. Although that doesn't appear like a problem, it is a problem because they have to find information that's going to help them get to the place where they solve a problem. And that's where we can step in with information. So typically what we're trying to do is solve people's problems when we're creating social media marketing content. And when we start thinking like that, we might think, well, if we're sharing news on a relevant subject, how is that solving people's problems? Well, the person wants access to that news. And if you become the TV channel that broadcasts that news, you've solved his problem, how to get to that easily and simply. So essentially, it all boils down to solving people's problems. And once we understand that, we'll start to see that it's quite easy to find ideas that we can post about.